Once again, Georgie, I apologize for not taping you for a long time. And it's been a couple months, so we need more footage of you.
Daddy?
Georgie. Can you show us some of the tricks you've done since we last since we last met on the video? Up. Can you smile? Give me that big smile. Let me see that smile. That's good. How about, can you tell us some of your animals? What animals can you do? Can you do a doggy? What's a doggy say? What does a horsey say? What does a cow say? What does a chicken say? What does a sheep say? What does a birdie say? What does a snake say? Snake! What's a snake say? Good. Can you do Itsy Bitsy Spider? Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the rain, sun, and dried up all the rain. And Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again.
Beep, beep, beep.
Georgia, that's gross. Oh, take those away. Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Georgie has a bit of a cough. What do we call Grandpa? What's Fufa? Can you say Fufa? Can you say Nami?
Nami.
Who's Nami? What do you say for Grandma? What's Grandma?
Nami.
Beep, 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 beep. Anything else? Any other tricks? Anything else you want to say? Beep. Beep. What's with that foot? What's with that foot? Beep, 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 beep. Hey, you want to see yourself? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that little girl? Don't touch. Who's that little girl? Who's that little girl? Hmm? Say cheese. What?
Claire's got the goods.
What are you talking about?
Mine beeped while I was on the phone and Claire called to say
Oh,
children are
cheese.
in possession.
Cheese.
Kiss? Cup kiss? No, can I have a kiss? Can you do something for the camera for Daddy?
She gave me a big smile. Give me a big smile.
You want to say
Big
happy
smile,
birthday
Georgie.
again? Like you said. Birthday. Where'd your socks go?
She removed them and proceeded to eat them.
Do you want to say the names of your friends at school? You want to say your name? Who's at school?
Dad.
Dad. Mary. Ellen. Viviana. And who else? Who lives at home?
She didn't say Sarah.
Who's at home? Mommy?
Mommy.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. And who else? Who are you?
Daddy.
Georgie. Who else loves you? Grandma?
Mommy.
Fufa? Yeah. And how about your cousins? Can you say Zachary? Matthew?
No.
Matthew? You giving up?
Daddy.
Daddy!
This.
Are these your feet? And those your feet? You're going to take a nice long nap. And your sister's going to watch some nice long video.
Daddy.
Georgie!
What's that?
Paper.